If you've got a horrible squeaking noise on your Z-axis as your print bed goes up or down, more often than not, the noise is coming from this bearing here. Now, what I did was I got some super lube, just put some on my finger, ran the bed up and down, and just put some lube on the back of the chain. So as the chain runs along that bearing there, it helps to reduce the noise, the friction. Now, if you're noticing that your belt is loose, if it's like that, that's a problem. But this one's quite tensioned. You can actually loosen up this hex here and then retighten it. It'll automatically tighten, so as you loosen it, maybe just roll the bed up and down a little bit, then let it set, and then tighten that screw here. And then that should tension your belt. If you've lost too much tension in the belt, it is probably best to replace the Z-belt. Generally, that's a fairly easy process. I'm not going to do that today because my belt is somewhat in okay condition. This will have to be replaced, obviously, in the future, but simply that would come off, take off your hex screws, take off that tensioner there, that spring, and then the belt will come off, and just note the orientation. Teeth, 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 back of the belt, teeth. Very simple. Now, another thing as well, if the chain is not centered per se, and let's say it's rubbing up against the frame of your printer, you can actually loosen these 4 motor hex screws, readjust that motor, and then tighten it back up. And that should help your Z-axis timing chain belt to stay squeaky free and in alignment. If you do make any adjustments with this, just be sure that you screw in your bed with the 4 provided, I think 3 or 4 provided screws when you first buy the printer. If you don't have those screws, just flip this upside down, make sure the build plate is all the way to the top, and then flip your printer upside down, and try to avoid spinning these. But if you do, don't stress. As long as the print bed is level and is at the top of the printer, with the printer flipped upside down, you shouldn't have any problems.